Okay, so there she is opened up. You can see the Blackhawk Ultra. And there's 240mm fans in the front, a 230 on the side with the 120 there. And we're going to get a little closer to her now internally. There's the Corsair Force GT 240 gig solid state drive. There's the T-Virus reservoir. Let me zoom out a little bit there. There's a Swiftech pump. You can see here custom sleeved cables for that AX1200. All of the cables everywhere are those red sleeved cables. There's a Corsair AX1200 custom sticker there. You can see two GeForce GTX 680s with a custom SLI bridge. You can see the thumb screws there, all custom again, red. The GTX 680s will probably be replaced with two 680 classifieds, but they're not out yet, so I gotta wait. It's hard to see this, but there is the Koolance block for the CPU, as well as the motherboard for the VRM. And there is 8 RAM slots filled. That's right, 32 gig of RAM. There's the Molex, or the 24 pin for the motherboard. There's the 360 rad up there at the top. The fans, yes, I know it's missing one. My current setup, probably gonna have to rework it a little bit so I can get another fan in there. But right now, it doesn't have one. There are 3 silent typhoons up top. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom back out. So there she is. I'm gonna kind of come back over here. Zoom all the way out and get another clean picture of everything. There she is in all her glory.